Hi, my name is Chuck Panzarella. I'm a lawyer with Consumer Action Law Group, and today we'll be going over how you can claim surplus funds from the foreclosure sale of your home. So to make it clear, in order for there to be surplus funds from a foreclosure sale, the house must have been sold for more than what you owed to the bank, the lender. To give you an example, if you had a loan for $300,000 and your home sold for $500,000 in a foreclosure sale, that would leave a surplus of $200,000 remaining, and you're entitled to claim that money. That also means that if your house was sold for less than what you still owe to the lender, there would not be any surplus funds for you to claim. And the reverse example is if your loan was $500,000 and the home sold for $300,000, there would be nothing remaining to claim as a surplus. So now let's go on to claiming surplus funds. There are two ways for you to make a claim after a foreclosure. One way is to make a claim on your own and to go through the process without an attorney. To claim surplus funds, you'll need to follow 3 steps. Step 1 is to provide proof of ownership, which is done by giving title. 2 is to provide verification of funds, which is by looking at the foreclosure records and subtracting the liens or the loans that were paid off at the time of the foreclosure sale. The third step is to contact the trustee, and once you contact the trustee who handles the sale, you need to submit a claim form either to the trustee or to the court, and generally after 2 or 3 months, the funds are deposited with the court. After you complete these 3 steps, you may have to go through the process of hearings and motions with the court to claim the funds. And if you are successful in your claim and the court deems that you are the rightful claimant, you will be dispersed the funds directly. The other option to claim surplus funds is to enlist the help of an attorney, and going through this process with an attorney is much easier because they handle everything from start to finish, and typically they'll make sure that it's done correctly. If you call my firm, we help by figuring out if there is a surplus. We research the title, we look for sale proceeds, we look for the trustee, and we can give you a time frame as to whether the funds have been deposited with the court. Now, if this sounds confusing to you, I can imagine it might be, especially if this is your first time having to go through a legal process. And if you went through a foreclosure recently and you think you have surplus funds, call us and we'll be able to tell you right away if we can help and if you do have surplus funds. Our number is 818-254-8413. Give us a call. Let's talk about your situation. And thanks again for watching. I hope this video helped.